Hi friends, welcome back to another video by Sandeep Classes. I am Sandeep Gupta. This is the continuation of my previous video. Column A contain customer, these are my customers, these are the items and these are the price quoted by this customer. Now I want to find out whether a particular price, for example 4.62, 5.21 or 4.25 has been quoted by more than one customer related to this particular item. Now I will use COUNTIF formula equals to COUNTIF. It will give me the numbers of time a particular price has appeared in the range, in the given range you can say. It required two input, range, this is my range. Press F4 to lock the row, F4, again F4. Here you can see dollar has appeared before number, that means my row has been locked. Comma, the second input criteria, this is my criteria, bracket close. You can see here I am selecting row as my range, whereas in my previous video I had selected column as my range, just because here I am focusing about item, whereas in my previous video I was focusing about the customer. The customer data is contained in the column, whereas the item data is contained in the row. That's why I have selected row here. Enter. It has returned 3. That means this particular price 4.62 has been quoted by 3 customers. Drag it to autofill it. Make a double click here. Now this number represents the numbers of time this price has appeared in this range. Now I will use one condition. Select it. Now I will use a condition greater than 1 in order to convert this number into true and false. Greater than 1. Now when this formula will return greater than 1, it will give true, otherwise it will return false. Press Ctrl Enter to autofill it. Ctrl Enter. It will autofill it true and false. Now this true represent that this cell, this price has appeared more than once, whereas this false represent that this price has appeared only once. Now I will use this formula. I will copy this formula. Ctrl C copy. Select the range where you want to apply conditional formatting. As I want to highlight this number, I have selected this range. Then go to Home tab. Here click conditional formatting. From here select new rule, or you can use shortcut key, that is Alt O D. Here click new rule. Then select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Paste the formula. Now when this formula return true, it will format the cell. You can see format values where this formula return true. For that reason I have made this true and false. Select the color through which you want to format. I have selected yellow color. Click OK. Now it will format all those cells where the formula will return true value. Click OK. Apply. OK. As I have selected this range, it have formatted these cells. I have shown true and false here in order to make you clear how conditional formatting actually works. Now true, this true represent this cell. Now this cell contain this formula. That means when this cell gives you true, it will conditional formatting will highlight this cell, and if it return false, then it will leave it as blank. This cell doesn't have any role in this condition. If you delete it, then also it will work perfectly. I am deleting it. In spite of that, this is working perfectly, just because conditional formatting work with true and false. That is why I have demonstrated you true and false. I hope all your concepts are clear regarding this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is www.youtube.com/SandeepClasses. Thank you.